Good morning, dear students. My name is Priyanka Gupta. I am teaching biology from Scholars Junior College, Bhiwandi. Now, today we are going to study with the chapter number 8 Respiration and Circulation. Topic is circulatory system in human. In the last lecture, we have studied what are the circulation, what are the closed circulation, what are the open circulation, and what are the two types of circulation, that is single circulation and double circulation. Okay, so now today we are going to study with the circulatory system in human. Circulatory system in human. What is mean by a system? Where so many organs work together, join together, combine together and work together. That is called a system. See, circulatory system in human is made up of the blood, vascular and lymphatic system. वॉट इज़ ब्लड वैस्कुलर सिस्टम? वैस्कुलर का मीनिंग होता है वेसल्स. सो जो ब्लड वैस्कुलर सिस्टम होता है दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ द ब्लड, हार्ट एंड ब्लड वेसल. ब्लड विच इज़ अ रेड कलर फ्लूइड और लिक्विड. हार्ट एंड ब्लड वेसल्स इज लाइक आर्टरीज, veins and capillaries. What is the function of this system in the body? It transport the blood, oxygen, nutrient to each and every part to the body. Homeostasis to maintains the temperature of the body and also protection. What are the blood composition and coagulation? See, हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे देखते हैं how the blood is composed of. Like tea, चाय, हम लोग like blood composition and coagulation. See, abhi we are going to study with the what are the composition of blood, how the blood is made up of. सबसे पहले an average adult has about 4.5 to 6 liter of blood. Means if we are adult, average adult, we are having to 4 to 6 liter of blood. It is a red color, bright red color fluid which derived from the embryonic mesoderm. At the early embryonic stage of life, we have three germ layer. Outer one is ectoderm. Outer one is ectoderm, middle one is mesoderm, and inner one is endoderm. What are these three? Ecto, meso and endoderm. So we have three layer, 1, 2 and 3. We have three layer: ectoderm, mesoderm and what? Endoderm. Ecto means outside, एंडो मीन्स इनर. एक्टोडम जो होता है दैट फॉर्म्स द स्किन बोन्स ऑफ द बॉडी. मेसोडम विच फॉर्म द हार्ट, blood vessels of the body. And endoderm is what? Endoderm form the visceral or vital organ of the body which is a digestive system. ठीक है. now हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि सबसे पहले blood जो होता है that is heavier than water. It has two main component. It has two main component. 45% of the 45% of the blood cells or element cell or formed element, and 55% of plasma. What is this plasma? So plasma is a fluid connectivity. Plasma is a fluid which contain 90 to 92% of water and 8 to 10% of solid. It is slightly alkaline, straw colored, light yellow, pale yellow color, एंड विस्कस फ्लूइड. विस्कस मीन्स होता है थिक फ्लूइड जो ब्लड के अंदर होता है. प्लाज्मा में देखो वाटर है 90 to 92%, प्रोटीन है 7 to 8% लाइक प्रोथ्रोम्बिन, फाइब्रिनोजन, एल्बुमिन, ग्लोबुलिन. इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्ट्स हैं सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, पोटेशियम, कैल्शियम, आयरन, ऐसे सब सॉल्ट्स हैं 1%. फिर अदर इसमें फूड है लाइक ग्लूकोज, अमीनो एसिड, फैटी एसिड, ट्राइग्लिसराइड, यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, क्रिएटिनिन, हार्मोन, एंजाइम, विटामिन, and it also contain the various anticoagulants like heparin. cholesterol, antibodies, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases. These all material are present in the blood. From where these all materials are coming into the blood? तो हम लोग जो ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं वो ब्लड में मिक्स होता है, हम लोग जो भी खाते हैं इसके अंदर जो भी एलिमेंट होता है सब डाइजेशन होने के बाद जो सॉलिड फूड होता है, व्हेन इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द सेमी सॉलिड एंड देन लिक्विड फॉर्म, एंड लिक्विड फॉर्म में ये सब जाके मिक्स होता है ब्लड में, और ब्लड से इट गोज़ टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. ठीक है. Now, what are the formed element? What are the blood corpuscles or blood cell? See, जो blood cells होते हैं, they are that are produced in the body are collectively called formed element. Human का जो blood होता है that is made up of the 3 types of formed element: RBC, WBC and platelet. RBC is a red blood cell, WBC is a white blood cell, and platelets is a thrombocyte.